Welcome back. Just a little tweak to our design and we're done with design for now. Now I call this back to login. I call this button. That was a mistake. It was a bit button login. So I'm gonna call it button login and save the page again. Also, while I was working on the dashboard, you were not seeing the other part of the screen. So I'll just show it to you. This was a label I used. Collect the label. Create a label from the controls. Enter a full name as a text field. Enter a username as a text field as well. Male and female. We already buttons. And this was a pane found in a container. A pane. There's a pane. There's a pane I used found in the container. And I added a label inside the pane. Alright. Also, this is a button. Alright, so I'm saving this now just to make sure that that one was broken. And back to NetBeans. Alright, now we've created two FXML. That's this and this. So what we do is this: we right click this and click on Make Controller. The essence of this is so that if you look at our controller now, nothing is there. When I click on this and I say Make Controller, everything we have saved comes in here. You see that all we have saved comes in here. Same thing I'll do for this: login, FXML, make controller. Alright, the same thing has happened also in login controller. Alright, before we go on, we have a const file, a const.java file. So let's go there and place in all our const. Alright, so let's go to const. Right now, showing this const, the console. I'm going to put protected string server equal to we're using the JDBC SQLite. JDBC SQLite. Would that be necessary? I don't think this will be necessary. The server name won't be necessary this time around. Unlike when we're using MySQL. Okay, so all we'll just put here will just be the database name, which is at this point we called it CRUD up, right? Just to be on the safe side, let's look at it again. CRUD up. Yes, we call it CRUD up. CRUD up also. So that's what we'll just do there. We call it CRUD up. CRUD up. Then we don't need the password, we don't need the username. All we'll just do is public static final string login. It's only one table, right? Which is the user table. So we're going to put user table. But why is this not in capital letters? So, protected final. User table equal to this time we'll call it users. Okay, that'll be all for now. That's all we're gonna put for now there. Or let's still put in the column fields. Public, let me put here table name, and also here we're gonna put the fields in the table. Alright, so public static string let's say user ID equal to ID. Alright, public static string. What is the full name? Equal to full name. Alright. Now public static string username equal to username. I was thinking of putting a password because it should log in with a username and password. I don't think that's necessary, right? Let's see how it goes first. Then public static. What's wrong with me? Little mistakes here and there. Okay, public static string. What video was just gender. My fingers are hurting me, that's why I'm making a lot of mistakes. Sorry about that. Gender. And finally, public static string. What did we call the image? Just call it image. That's so boring. Image. So the image part. Image. Let's just call it image too. Alright, so that's all we'll be needing. Now let's go to our Java Connect. Java Connect is going to be placed where we're placing all our CRUD operations. Alright, everything that we need to perform CRUD. This is where we're going to place them. Alright. Okay. So let's get started. Let's get started. So in Java Connect, what we need first is to create a connection. Now, in connecting to a database, there are 5 steps involved. The first step involves just the connection and performing CRUD operation, rather not the connecting. Performing CRUD operation in the database, there are 5 steps involved. First is the connection. Second is the use of statements or prepare statement. Third is performing the query. Fourth is displaying the record, and 5 is actually closing the database. So the first step, now we're going to call it, before we do that, let's say connection com, then prepare. We're going to use prepare statement this time around. Prepared statement rather than a statement, but you can still use the pstmt. Alright, so it's asking us to import file. We're going to import both at the same time by using Ctrl Shift and I. Right, so I press OK, and that's about all. So what we do next is the last one now. So what the last one? Result set rs. Alright, we'll import that as well. Now let's create the first method. That's for the first method, the first step rather. Create the first method for the first step, which is the connection. So public connection, we're going to make it a class connection so we can return the connection. Connection get connection. Okay, I'm going to just put return call before I even start anything. Return call. I'm going to call com there, so that's what I'm saying. Returning. That's what I'm saying. Return call. Alright. Okay, so now inside this call, I'm going to put a try catch. Alright, now in using SQLite, you have to use what they call a class for name. Class for name. Now the class for name will be org.sqlite.jdbc. Alright? Okay. Now, how did I get to know about this? If you come to services now, how do you try to install an SQLite? And when I came here, why is it open? Alright, if you try to install, I don't know why mine is open, but if you try to install an SQLite, you see the name of the file there. Let me say connect. You see that? Now, if I say go next, it's going to give me an error, but this is using SQLite, using org.sqlite.jdbc. So this I knew that was what the right thing to use. Alright, so every database you use is always the right URL to use. Alright, okay, so what we're going to do next is con equal to driver manager dot get connection. Get connection. Now this time around, what am I going to use for that? Just use jdbc.sqlite. I don't need the info. jdbc dot sorry, that's very small letters. jdbc dot sqlite dot slash what's not file? What do we call? Let me look out for the name. I called it the name for data of our project is CRUD up. Okay, so because we call it CRUD up .sqlite. Alright, so it's complaining that exception is too big, so let's take it to smaller one. Replace your multi-catch. Yes. Alright, I always like catching my, so I'm going to put J option pane to show message dialog. No, we're going to call it, I'll say connection error plus E. Sorry, plus E. That's the error that's catching there. What does it say? Alright, so it's asking for us to put the G option pane. See the beauty about FXML? You can use swings inside FXML. That's what makes it very lovely. Alright, so this is the first method. Now we'll stop at this point. When we come back, we'll look at the second method. We're going to get a result set. Alright, so save this. And if you like what you see, please recommend and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Alright, do have a nice day.